If your AI only answers when you ask, it's just a chatbot. If it runs your morning routine, it's a workflow. But if it's making decisions on its own, congratulations, you've met an AI agent. Let's break it down. First up, LLMs. Think ChatGPT or Gemini. They're text wizards. You ask, they answer, but they never peek at your calendar or take the initiative. Next, AI workflows. This is where your LLM follows a set recipe. Maybe it grabs news links, summarizes them, drafts your posts, and schedules everything for you. It can access your stuff like your calendar, but only on a strict human-set path. You still have to tweak and improve things yourself. And finally, AI agents. This is next level. Agents don't just follow instructions, they reason, pick tools, and iterate on their own. They're like a smart assistant that actually learns and adapts to get your job done. No hand-holding required. So now you know, LLMs answer, workflows automate, agents take charge. Choose wisely.